Okay, guys, so I'm talking to you about a key number 10 of the 10 keys to dropping pieces. This is the last key of the 10 keys, but by no means the least in terms of the value that this key provides people with. So the 10th key on the 10 keys to dropping pieces very simply states, work your 8 hours. Now, there are 3 points under this key, and often this key is usually misunderstood. Work your 8 hours is very, very simple. It basically says that you work your full 8 hours and you maximize your 8 hours that you have in every single day, or as many as it takes to reach your goals. So the first thing I want to say to you on that bullet point is that if you don't have a goal, you are just wasting time, and the temptation to not make the best use of your time is going to be absolutely wasted. So what we're saying around the working your 8 hours is very simply work your 8 hours or as many as it takes to reach your goals. In this business, if you want to get ahead, you need to do whatever it takes to achieve your goals. So if you have worked your 8 hours and you've done everything you possibly can in those 8 hours, what I know about this business is if you want to be successful, you will have to put in more than your 8 hours from time to time to make sure you go and achieve your goals. If your goals are clear, you will do whatever it takes. It also says that you need to have a sense of urgency in the office and in the field or on the dialer. So very, very simply, guys, don't waste time when you come in on a Monday morning and hope that towards the end of the week, you'll be able to catch up by sitting around and wasting time. Have a sense of urgency. You'll only have a sense of urgency if you're clear on your goals. Don't wait for Tuesday or Wednesday. Get into the office on a Monday and work your full 8 hours from the very, very beginning of every week. Okay. And then the last bullet point is you can't fail in this business. You can only quit. Again, quitting, guys, is usually an outcome of not willing to do whatever it takes. So we often use this as a mantra in the business to say that it's very difficult to fail in this business if you are willing to do whatever it takes. The only time people quit is when they don't have clear goals and when they are not willing to do whatever it takes to go and achieve those goals that they've set for themselves. So very simply to recap, work your full 8 hours. In other words, get on the dialer, get into the field as soon as possible by having a sense of urgency towards achieving your goals that you have set. Again, if you don't have goals, this will not happen. And then lastly, make sure that you're willing to go the extra mile in this business. The difference between people who get to the goal or to their dreams quicker than others is really the difference between those people willing to do whatever it takes and work and maximize their time versus people who are not willing to do that.